Dreamhost Virtual Private Server Redirection Settings. When you log into your Dreamhost account, the website that you have installed, popular one is WordPress. One way or another, your free SSL certificates that you have attached to your domain may have redirection settings. So then let's find the website in question. Let's press on Settings. Here, Dreamhost Virtual Private Server gives you an option to change automatic HTTPS setting. What does that mean? It means that when you install your website using the free SSL certificate, Dreamhost goes ahead and automatically redirects HTTP to HTTPS version, so it's more secure. So that's a setting that you want to check, particularly for page with redirect issues. Then let's imagine a typical scenario that you have installed WordPress. If that's the case, you need to access your installation directory. Easiest way is through FTP, but surely you can press on Manage Websites in Dreamhost control panel and then log into your installation directory. We're looking at typical WordPress. Here we have .htxs file. So we can right click, press Edit through FTP or through Dreamhost. Then here you want to check any redirection rules which can be added into .htxs file for WordPress particularly, or any website built on Apache servers. Okay, so these are the settings for accessing redirection rules for Dreamhost Virtual Private Server. In the upcoming video sessions, I will show you Crazy Domains, cPanel, and also GoDaddy as to where to look for redirection settings. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.